Now we just have to do materials to our object, and from here you just have to select this one Rubik cube, and then you just have to go in this materials tab and then just press new. It will take a little moment. Now we just have to give it a color, like we just have to give it a black color. But now we are unable to see our color in our viewport. We just have to change it into the material preview like this, and then give it color like this. What is like this? But this is not given a realistic look. We just have to go into this properties, render properties, and then just change into the cycles, and then change into this GP compute. If you have graphic card, you can uh, avail this opportunity to enable your graphic card GPU compute. But if you don't have, then you don't have to worry about that. You can do this render on your CPU. So when I was first used starting Blender, then most of the time I used to do renders on my little PC. So you just don't have to worry about this thing. In future you can build a smart computer. So now you change this render engine, and then you just have to go into the render settings, and then just increase the light of all properties like this, or what can I say, yeah, do this like this and give this a white color. Now you are able to see, and then you give color to your materials, to your object, edit materials to your object, and then give it a little roughness like this. I hope suggest go into this world property and then give it a color like black. Just add a little light on your viewport by like area light. I want to add, just freeze it a bit and then move it, and then scale it like this, and then give it a power like 30,000 or more than that, like 80,000. Still not enough, like 150. Yeah, like this. Now give it a light, made it 250. Yeah, now you are able to see. Then you just have to go into this and then set your materials like this, and then give it a little metallic like this. Yeah, we can adjust this, like we don't want to do full roughness to it. We can just, yeah, do it like this. Yeah, it's a lot more looking nice. And then what we have to do, just select this one cube and then go down and hold your shift on your keyboard, and then just press cube, last cube. Then all the cubes will be selected, and then hold your shift and then just left click on your mouse and then reselect this cube, and then press Ctrl L on your keyboard, and then just go into this link materials. What just happened? You maybe sound crazy, or it might be a little bit confusing for you, but don't feel very nervous about this. So it's uh, happening now. We just link the materials from one object to our other objects. So you just have, what can I say, duplicate the materials from this object to in all other cubes. Now you are able to see this is looking nice. Now we can adjust this blade material by like giving it a lot more metal it lot, and then giving it a little bit roughness like this, like not like this but like this. I hope so. You can adjust it as you want it, so there's no such hurry. And now I am just going to give color to this plane to see how this is working. We have to do it same for this. We just have to select any plane and then press new and then select the color for it like this. Now I am just decreasing a little bit roughness to give it little shyness, and then we have to decrease a little bit shyness. Sorry, what can I say? The more roughness we'll decrease, the more our material will shine. So we are just adding some shininess in our materials. Yeah, I think so. It's looking nice. And then by this we like 723. I just want to do it same for this, and then we can give it another color light green. Yeah, and then give it same like 3.23 roughness. Like we can add metal to this, but I don't want to. Then we can set it up like this. This lot brighter color will be like this. Now we can just add another color. Like if I want to color this, now we don't need to do same again for this. We can draw from this tab and then select color as we want to give it, like green I want, and then I want to give it like blue color. Yeah, so these two planes are light by alt D. So what is different between shift D and alt D? If you press shift D to duplicate any object, it will just duplicate your object. Don't copy other object. But if you press alt D on your keyboard, then the data you saved on one object will be similar saved to another object. Like it's like a copy or mirroring an object like this. Now we have to give it another color, like what other colors we have, like what can I say, yellow. Yeah, we have yellow color like this, and give it a little brightness like this. No, mm, let's give it an orange color from here like this. It's looking like brown color, but we will adjust it by our lightning, so we don't have a specific an orange color here. So yeah, now we have to just add an other color, and then we have to give it a yellow color like this, like this. Yeah, increase it a bit and like this. And then we have to set the roughness again 3.23 for this orange color, and for yellow color we have to set it like 3.23. And then there is another color called white color, so we are just going to this and then add up your white color, yeah, like this, and then give it the same roughness like 3.23. Sorry, I messed up here, like 0.323. And then we have to do same for this 0.323, and yeah, 0.323. So yeah, now what you have to do uh, add another color.